I was strong, pushing to my own song, but you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still. I'm letting your light shine, I'm letting your love work through me. In every moment, breathe in this moment. You came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still, to know. You came, you made me see the weight I put on me.
Guys, done with my eyeliner. As always, hindi na naman sila pantay. And then, nagkabit na din na, nilagay ko na din yung eyelashes ko, guys.
Was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still. My heart restless, every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong, pushing to my own song. But you came, you made me see the weight I put on me was too much, too tough to heal. I needed time, I needed to be still.
Okay, ma? This is the final look. Yan, very simple, guys. As always. Di ko alam kung anong title nitong makeup na to, guys. Nag-iisip pa ako, guys, kung anong ita-title ko dito. Guys, ayan ko na itong video na to. Sana nagustuhan itong look na to. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, and then click the bell button below para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong new video. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on my next video. Ciao!
Running for so long, unclear about the path I was on. I was breathless, my heart restless. Every turn felt like it was wrong, but I kept going to show I was strong. Pushing.
So guys, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe. Mag-subscribe na kayo. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you on my next video. Ay, nagbanha. Nagustuhan itong look na to. So, yan. Thank you so much, guys. Ay, sa mukha, ay!
Ay, nangalaga ka na kayo magsayo may kuan, makarina.
So, guys.
Chikitita.
So, guys, yan ko itong video to. Sana nagustuhan itong look na to. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Ay, nalimta na subscribe. Do not forget to like. So, guys, and... Oh, sa demo.